Here's how to make a simple and easy resume. First, go to Safari. Once you're in Safari, you're going to want to search up clever.com. Once you're in Clever, you're going to want to scroll down until you see school links and press on it. Once you're in school links, look in the top right and press on your name/profile. Then you're going to want to scroll down and put in your strengths, what you're proud of, and your interests and hobbies. Once that's done, then you're going to scroll and put in any experience you have and any extracurricular activities you've done. When you click add, you're going to want to put what activity you did, what role you played, and what you did in that role. Then you're going to add when you started, and if you're done with the activity, put when you ended. Then scroll down and you're going to want to put in your awards and achievements. Put what award you got and when you got it. Now that that's done, you're going to put what skills and what languages you speak. Then scroll down and put in your school, your GPA, and when you graduate. Now look in the top right corner and you'll see a paper with lines on it. Click it. When you click on it, put in your phone number, your address, and your email. Once that's done, press download resume. Then wait a few seconds until a red notification pops up in your right corner. You're going to want to press your most recent notification and download the resume. If you click it, it should go to your downloads in your top right corner, and you're going to want to double click that. And now if you want, you can add anything you need. And now you have an easy made resume.